Hello everyone, my name is Lydia Lemire. I'm the head athletic trainer here at Mount Mercy University, and I'm going to go over rules and procedures to be working out back at the rack. So when you first come in, you will be greeted by a coach or somebody, and they will be taking your temperature and asking you questions. Once you pass those, you will be able to scan in just like normal, and then we'll have you sanitize. Then I'm going to have you go over to the cubbies and put your phone, your water bottle, keys, and then change your shoes and put the new shoes that you brought with, because you do need to bring a different pair of shoes to work out in, into the cubbies, and then I'll have you sanitize again. Then when you're working out, you're doing your thing, that's awesome. Just make sure that you wipe down and clean all your equipment. Once you're, like if you're doing a circuit, you have to clean each thing. Even though you're coming back to it, you have to clean each thing separately each time you use it. So if you touch it, you got to clean it. There is hand sanitizer and things like that, so you can sanitize in between each thing too on all the carts on the tables. The bathrooms are open, but we are not allowing showering at the rack at this point in time. We can only have 24 people in the building. So that includes staff that is working as well. So if you are number 25 and you walk in the door, we will ask you to leave because you cannot stay inside the building. You can wait in your cars, or we can maybe text you or something when somebody does leave the facility that you would like to work out in. Batting cages and the golf bays are open for athletes. They do have to sanitize all their balls and equipment after they're done using, and they also have to sanitize the turf. And that takes about 10 minutes to dry before the next group can come in and do anything. Athletic trainers are taking appointment only. We can only have one person per athletic trainer in the athletic training room at this time. So, and then we do have to clean for about 30 minutes afterwards. So we have a cleaning break. So we can only see one person at a time, and then a 30-minute break. And then the last thing is we just aren't taking any outside organizations or rentals at this time. We're just trying to keep our people and our staff and students as safe as possible.
Hi everyone, I am so excited that Hennessey is slowly opening. For you to use the gym, you must call 24 hours in advance or email Deb at dmarlin@mtmercy.edu. A coach needs to be with you when you're in the gym. We will meet you at the lower Hennessey doors. You must have another pair of shoes. You must have a mask. When you come in, we're going to hand sanitize your hands, and we are also going to check your temperature. If you have a temperature and answer yes to a couple of questions, we're going to send you information regarding where you can go get tested. As I said, a coach always has to be with you in the gym. You will not have to clean up after being here. Did I mention you have to bring an extra pair of shoes? That's it. Hope to see you soon.
Hello, I'm Jason Pershing, the Assistant Athletic Director at Mount Mercy University. Just want to talk to you a little bit about PLASTER Athletic Complex, also known as the PAC. How will you get access to it, and what are some of the protocol? First, in order to get access to it, we would like to have 24 hours notice so we can make sure that there's not multiple teams or too many people out there, so for safe social distancing reasons. Once you get access to it, you communicate with me, myself, and let us know what time and when you're going to utilize the facilities. We ask that you check in at the Rinderknecht athletic facility at the rack at the front desk with the staff. You will answer a couple questions to make sure that you don't have a temperature and some of the other protocol. You also get your temperature checked. You will scan in so we can know who's coming and going, and then you will sanitize. Then you'll be able to go over to the PLASTER athletic facility with your coach. You guys will work out for however long you want. When you're done, we ask that you come back and scan back out so that we know when people are coming and going. If you wanted to also work out at the rack afterwards, all you would need to do is just sanitize, and then you can automatically go and utilize the facility. We really want to make sure provide a safe and environment out there, so obviously we just ask that everybody uses their safe social distancing. Maybe bring extra soccer balls or different, things that you would use for the throwing pit and things. And more or less, just enjoy yourself and utilize the outdoor facilities. So, thank you very much.